Hi, my name is Carolyn. I am the owner and operator of a graphic and web design company, which now also offers AI services and solutions. So today we're going to go into Canva and we're going to go into Canva Recording Studio. The first part we're going to do is to create an intro video, and then the second part is going to be the actual recording of a tutorial. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to create a design and select video. Now from here you see the Canva workspace, and to the left we're going to go into upload video. Here you'll see record yourself, and I'm actually going to click videos because I'm going to use this video here to record the intro, which I did previously, but I'm going to do a brand new one for you guys to see how I created that. So we're going to go into record yourself. And this is our new workspace. It's actually going to show my profile, which the background was completely different from the one up top because I have a background in that one, and this one does not have that background. It actually shows where I am in the moment. So from here, you're going to go to the right and you will see three options from the camera. You can either just do a camera without audio, you can do a camera with the screen, or you can just do the screen. So today I'm going to turn off the camera. Now, if you look here, you will see some options like filter, effects, changing the shape of this screen here. You can also mirror it, and you can turn off the video, which is what I'm going to do because I already have one. Oh, by the way, check and make sure that when you select recording, because that's what you're going to have to do, that you can actually see this of the audio moving back and forth. Okay. And when you come to the camera here, you will also have the option to select your screen, which is the one I'm going to do. And here is additional options, which is your Chrome tab, your window, or your entire screen. So this one gives you the option to select the Canva site. This one here gives you the option to select your window. And this here gives you the option to do your entire screen. And this is what those options look like. And then you would make your selection, which I would select this screen here and then hit share. All right. So I'm going to go into this tab, which shows this recording. Hit record. And then I'm going to go back into my view tab window. So in the create a design, because the first one was actually showing you how to go in and start the recording of your recording. So we're going to do the video here. And then I'm going to go into upload, select video, and I'm going to add this video I have of myself here. Click stop. And I'm going to go into edit video, and I'm going to remove that background. Just shrink it a little. So you can see the video is a little bit dark. So I'm going to select adjust and then go in and brighten it up some. I am also going to add some contrast. I'm going to take down the highlights just a little bit. Increase the vibrance. Increase the saturation. And add just a little bit of shadow to it to decrease them. Highlights. Down just a little. And I think that should be good. I'm gonna go back to edit video. Now that I've removed my background, what I want to do is go and add my own. So I'm going to come back here, bring this bar down, and go into background. Now I'd already selected a background, so I'm just going to add it in. And there you go. I am going to increase the size, move it over. I think I'm going to add that just a little bit more with the adjustments. And down the brightness just a little. Now that I have added my video and a background, now I want to add my name and my branding information. So I'm going to go back up and select elements. Elements give you quite a bit. You can do videos, you can add music, you can add all different types of things to this. And you really have to go into Canva and just play around with it a little bit, because that's really how you're going to learn. Trial and error. All right, so I'm going to add my shape, and I'm going to add a square, and I'm going to pull this over here, drag it down a little bit, pull it over some more, and then I'm going to go into text and add my name. To actually bring this down here. Now you can adjust this size by clicking on the corner and pulling it up and down to get the size that you want. I'm going to leave that about here and then move it up slightly. Then I'm going to go into brand. I've got my brand information, colors. I'm going to add the brand colors. Really nice and quick. You just select it and it adds it. And then I'm going to add my brand signature. I'm going to pull this down here until I get it just the size that I want it to be. Okay, almost there. I think I'll shrink this a little. Over. Move this here. And I think I'm going to pull this up just so I can get it where I need to see. And I'm going to duplicate that. You click here, duplicate, and I'm going to add it right on top so it's a lot clearer to see. And I'm going to move this over. And then I'm going to select all of them and then group them. So that way, if I need to move it, I have everything all in one shot. And then bring it over a little bit. Now I'm going to add my logo. Since you cannot add a drop shadow to the picture, I am going to add black. And then I'm going to add the drop shadow effect. Pull it down. That should be good. Let's bring it up a little bit. All right. Out. Okay, so now what I'd like to do is I would like to add a subscribe button, make it a little flashy. Oh, before I do that, I would like to ungroup because I want to add some animation to my name. So I'm going to go up to animate, and you have lots of choices to pick from, but I like the white. So I actually selected the wrong thing, so I'm going to undo. And let's see. Move this up a little bit. Down. You have a box around your items. So in order to select them, sometimes they might overlap. So you might have to reduce the size by clicking on the corner and pulling it down, or on the sides and pulling it down till it gets out of the way of the other element that you have, which is what I just did. And then I'm going to select my name, and I'm going to go into animate, and I'm going to select the white. Now you can also choose the speed here, and I want that to move a little slower. There you go. So there is my animation. Okay, now I am going to go into elements again, and I'm going to clear that, click on it, click in, and it gives you all of these selections. But what I'm looking for is one of these stickers, because they have GIFs in them. So I am going to look for a subscribe one, or actually YouTube. So I'm going to type in YouTube, subscribe. And before I do that, I am going to take this video and I'm going to split it. So I'm going to wait like a few seconds until my name comes up. And then I'm going to go here, I'm going to right click and select split page. So on this portion, I am going to find a subscribe. They've got graphics here. So I'm going to do select all. Let me see if there's anything else already here. I'm going to do select all. And you can go through all of these and find the one that best meets your needs. I'm going to find a subscribe. I like that one, but it's not animated. So I'm just going to go through a few of them until I find one that I really like. So many to choose from. Here we go, like and subscribe. Let's check that out. They do break them down into categories. Let's see, let's do like that one. Right there. And then I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to split the page again. So this here, move it on this side, and this, take it out. So if you come to this side, it's there, and this side, it's not. So they're basically split into pages. So this would be the first page, this is your second page, and this is your third page. So on the first page, my name is animated. The second page, the like is animated. And the third page, I want to have subscribe. So I'm going to add that in here. And I'm just going to click on the corner and pull it down and place it here. I like it. It's got the yellow that matches, which is technically gold. And let's take a look from the beginning. And hit play. So this is a sample video to show you how to record your videos and presentations on Canva. Yeah. All right. So sometimes it breaks up a little bit. It's like a buffering. So I'm going to do that again. So this is a sample video to show you how to record your videos and presentations on Canva. There we go. Now I'm going to add some music. So you can go down here and you see audio. You can select that. And then you're going to take a look at which ones you like. So recently I had went through a few of these, and you can go by category. It has popular music, happy music, pop music, epic, and piano. So I'm going to go back to the one that I liked, which was calm hip hop. I'm going to play this. Yeah, that's my style right there. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and here it is. Right? I'm going to pull it out. And now let's click to get the volume. And I'm going to bring it down just slightly, like background music. Okay, and hit play. So this is a sample video to show you how to record your videos and presentations on Canva. Okay, I'm going to select mine as well and see if it'll let me increase my volume. So let's see audio. I think it's at 100%. So I don't think I can get any higher, but there is a trick that I believe I can do, which is once you create this video, you're going to go to share. And when you go to share, you're going to be able to download it and save it as an MP4. Now, when you do that, it's like a brand new video. And then you have the options to go ahead and add additional elements, and you should be able to increase the audio at that time. All right, so let's play it one more time. So this is a sample video to show you how to record your videos and presentations on Canva. All right, so now we're going to go to share. We're going to go to download. And we're going to just click download because it's already an MP4. We can make the quality a little bit better. Sometimes I find that makes it difficult though to play on other platforms. So I'm just going to leave it there and just select download. All right, and now that's in its process. Okay, now that is the step-by-step way for you to record your video tutorials and presentations on Canva. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you've learned a lot, and I hope to see you in the next portion, which is recording your tutorial. All right, take it easy.